Okay, now make sure that you do watch the demo. There is so much data that's collected by Convertifire that it's not something that we could cover in that interview. We wanted to keep that really straight and to the point, just giving you more information from the product creators themselves and from their own mouths. We have added some bonuses to this promotion, so if you pick it up from my link, you will get those added bonuses along with the ones that are offered by Convertifire. So you can pick it up right there at that button below. Have a good day.
Right now, sessions info. This is a person from the Netherlands living in Naaldwijk, Zuid-Holland. This is the date of the recording. This is the time of the recording, the actual size of their desktop, which browser they've been using, and which operating system they use. Really neat stuff, all the information you need. And then let's head back to the Actions tab, and this is actually where the magic happens. These are all the actions that are being performed on this particular website. Really, I just want to go and hit the play button right here. Let me speed up the recording 4 times the speed. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. Let me pause the recording. As you can see, the user entered this website with his cursor right here on this spot, went to the top, went down, up, and down again. And I immediately get some hunches, some assumptions from this. This user is actually interested in this particular tree right here, and probably interested in the way this stuff is set up and how it's able to stand based off the color right here, because the cursor has been lingering on this part of the page the most. Now, studies have shown that mouse movement correlates with eye movement, so he's probably watching this the most. Then goes up and down and so on. I can easily take off those options as well. You can simply view the recording as is, but you will want to have this extra data so it reveals a pattern of how this particular user is browsing your website. Yeah, exactly 5 seconds this page will change and this user will click on this buy button right here, adding this Christmas tree to his cart. There we go. And it seems that this buyer is committed and is probably going to fill out each and every field right now. And if that's the case, then I need to blur out those details, because everything will be shown to you. I'm gonna hit the play button again, and as you can see, he's now filling out his name. First choosing a male name, then a female name. It's kind of funny. Putting in his address, postcode number, city, his address, his email address, and his phone number. Or something went wrong. All the fields are now empty. It's pretty neat stuff, right? To see how another user is ordering stuff from your website. There you go. It will now select the payment processor and his bank. There we go. I'm gonna cancel this, or it will be automatically playing the next recording. And as you can see, this is how the user navigated through the entire order process. So if you follow that line, filled out all the fields right here, added this to cart, and probably made the purchase. So up next are click maps, and I'm gonna click on the click maps icon right there. And for this demonstration, I'm gonna use this website as well. Again, it's the e-commerce website we used in the previous recording example or demo as well. Right now I'm gonna click on the Actions tab right here. There we go. And it has all the clicks right there for you. It's being sorted currently on Belgium, Germany and the Netherlands, and soon we will have the option to show all the clicks in one type of color and more filtering options, even on device type, even on the OS people are using, even on the countries you're currently seeing, and more cool filters you can use. Yeah, let's go to the heat map section right here. Gonna use the same exact site. Again, I'm gonna use this one right here. Same principle, only shows the heat on the pages. Like I said in the recording example, the recording demo, the heat that is generated is based on the amount of time a cursor is lingering on the page, because studies have shown that mouse movement correlates with eye movement. For example, they are actually looking a lot at these pictures right here and this piece of text right there. I'm gonna move the slider up a bit so it changes the opacity so I can see through the heat map and see what they are looking at. Right here there's some heat generated, and it's mostly located on the Dutch word for do it yourself. Kinda is important, seems, to the users. And if I put the opacity back up, there was more heat generated on this part of the page. I'm gonna put it down again. And it's probably due to the fact that either this is a red picture and it grabs a lot of attention because it stands out of the entire website, just like the button right here, or it's a slider button and people just continue to click on that button to continue to the next Christmas tree. Hope that makes sense. And that's the heat map for you. Can grab a lot of data from that. So now we're back at the dashboard, and right now I'm gonna hit conversion funnels and I'm gonna show you a quick demo of what you can do here. I'm gonna add one right here. I'm gonna choose Convertifire.io, click on add new, and I name this Convertifire pre-launch. Gonna save the funnel, and that's how easy it is. So if I'm going to go inside and click on the statistics icon right here, you can see the entire thing. And the last and final feature I'm going to show you is the surveys and polls feature. Right now I'm going to add a new survey or poll, and I'm going to add it on this website and this page right here. If you got the script installed, each and every page will be featured right here in the drop down. Right now I'm going to click on add new, make the survey active, and put in a thank you message, thank you, and make it a one choice question. I'm gonna save the survey right here, and I'm gonna create another survey for this website right here on trafficsources.php. Gonna add it and I'm gonna make it active, set up a thank you message right here as well, and this is going to be a let's go with the open-ended question. Let's delete that. Let's add in a rating. Please rate your experience from 1 to 5. There you go. And I'm gonna do a one choice question again. And I want this question to be on top of the other questions, so I'm gonna drag and drop that right there. I'm gonna save the survey, and there we go. That's the survey, and it now should be installed on the website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this website right here, and there is the survey. So it asks me, do you like it so far? I'm gonna put yes and submit and close this one up. Then I'm going to log in right here. Sign in, and it will pop up the other survey as well. Was the login process easy? Yes. Do you like it so far? Yes. And I'm gonna rate it 5 stars, so to speak. So that's the survey right there for you.